Hey guys, okay, so we're just gonna go through a couple practice concentration questions. I have one with molarity and one with molality that we're gonna do. I'm just gonna lower you. I have you stacked on some pillows. All right, so here's our problems that I'm gonna go over. The first one asks, what mass of KCl, potassium chloride, needs to be dissolved into 750 milliliters to make a 1.25 molar solution? Okay, so here we're going to use the molarity formula, which is molarity equals moles over liters. Well, we have our molarity, it's 1.25. We're looking for our moles. And then we have our volume, but it's in milliliters. Remember, to convert milliliters to liters, you're going to divide by 1,000 or move the decimal place to the left 3 times. So 750 milliliters is now going to be 0.750 liters. Okay, so now we're going to do math to get this. So I'm going to put my calculator 1.25 times 0.750, and I get out 0.938 moles of KCl. So that's how many moles of KCl I need. But remember, the question is asking what's the mass. So to convert moles to grams, I'm going to times by the molar mass. So I am going to go to my periodic table. I'm going to use my memory to get the molar masses for each of these. So the molar mass of potassium is 39.10. Ooh, I got to type it in, right? Plus the molar mass of chlorine, which is 35.45. So I get a molar mass of 74.55 grams. I'm going to multiply these, and I get that I am going to need 69.9 grams of KCl. Okay, so there's a molarity example problem. So now let's do our molality example problem. So in this one, I'm looking for the molality. It says, what's the molality when 35.7 grams of sodium sulfate, NH2SO4, are dissolved into 925 grams of water? Remember, for molality, we have the formula moles of solute over kilograms of solution. So I need my moles of solute. Well, I need to know what my solute is. It's what's being dissolved. And so that's my sodium sulfate. But that's in grams, so I'm going to have to convert it to moles. To convert grams to moles, we divide by the molar mass. So I'm going to have to find the molar mass of sodium sulfate. Again, I have these memorized. You'd have to look them up on a periodic table. But I'm going to take the mass of sodium, which is 22.99 times 2, plus the molar mass of sulfur, which is 32.07, plus the molar mass of oxygen, which is 16 times 4. And I get 142.05 grams for every mole. So now I can divide this, and I get that I have 0.251 moles of the sodium sulfate. Now I need to divide this by kilograms of my solvent, which is what's doing the dissolving. My solvent here is the water. So I need to take my grams to kilograms. Just like how we take milliliters to liters, we do this to solve this, we divide by 1,000 or move the decimal place over 3 places to the left. So my 9.25 grams is going to be 0.925 kilograms. Then I'm going to divide these two numbers, 0.251 divided by 0.925, and I'm going to get out 0.271 mol of sodium sulfate. I don't have to specify what the solvent is because it's water, and we assume it's water if it's not specified. So these are just some examples on how you do molality problems. I'm going to have some problems for you to practice here next. Thanks. Bye.